Hello, let's solve the integral. It's given that I equal to integral 0 to 2 ln of 1 plus x by x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Fine. So let's start. Now, as you can see in the numerator, it's ln of 1 plus x. So let's consider u is 1 plus x. That implies du is dx. Right? Now, the integration limits if x equal to 0, that implies u is 1. If x equal to 2, then 1 plus 2, which is u is 3. Then the denominator is x square minus x plus 1, right? Here x is u minus 1, then x square minus x plus 1, the denominator is x is u minus 1 whole square minus of u minus 1 plus 1. Fine. This is u square plus 1 minus 2u minus u plus 1 plus 1. Now you can see this is u square minus 2u minus u minus 3u plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. Now this I becomes, integration limits are changed to 1 to 3 ln u by u square minus 3u plus 3 du. Fine. Let's try to make some substitutions here to get into some symmetric form. Right? Let's consider here. Let's consider w as 3 by u. This gives dw equal to minus 3 by u square du. This implies du equal to minus u square by 3 dw. From here u is 3 by w, right? Minus 1 by 3. U is 3 by w. 3 square 9 by w square into dw. 3 ones 3 3s. This finally gives du equal to minus 3 by w square dw. Fine. Now what about the integration limits? If u equal to 1, then w is 3. If u is 3, w becomes 1. 3 by 3 is 1, right? Now let's substitute this it here. I equal to this becomes, as you can see, 1 to 3 becomes 3 to 1, 3 to 1 ln of u, which is u is 3 by w by u square, which is 3 by w square minus 3 into u, which is 3 by w plus 3 into du, which is minus 3 by w square into dw. As you can see, there is a negative sign here, then you can flip the integration limits as 1 to 3. Fine. Then this can be written as ln 3 minus ln w, right? By this is 9 by w square minus 9 by w plus 3 into 3 by w square into dw. So let's simplify it further, which is I is integral 1 to 3 ln 3 minus ln w by, as you can see now, the LCM for the denominator is w square, then this becomes 9 minus 9w plus 3w square by w square, which becomes this w square here into 3 by w square into dw. W square will get cancelled, and as you can see, there is a, you can take a 3 factor in the denominator, so this becomes 1 2 3 ln 3 minus ln w by 3 into w square minus 3w plus 3 into 3 dw. Okay, 3w square minus 9w plus 9. Fine, this is fine. 3 3 will get cancelled. Now you are left with I equal to 1 to 3 ln 3 minus ln w by w square minus 3w plus 3 into dw. Fine. Now let's see the question here. As you can see this, u square minus 3u plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 1, right? U square minus 3u plus 3, right? This is a dummy variable. It can be either u or anything else, right? Fine. You can write it as, let's write it down here. I plus I. Fine. Now you can write it as, this is I, right? ln u by u square minus 3u, u square, sorry, ln u by u square minus 3u plus 3. You can write this as integral 1 to 3 ln 3 minus ln w by w square minus 3w plus 3 into tw plus, we are adding I, which is this integral 1 to 3 integral 1 to 3 ln u by, right? As you can see, this is u is a dummy variable. You can replace u with w here. U square minus 3u plus 3 u square minus 3u plus 3, right? This can be written as w square minus 3w plus 3 into 3 dw. Fine. Then this becomes 2w equal to integral 1 to 3. Fine. Sorry, this is 2y, right? Yeah. I plus I is 2y. Then this ln plus w, this ln w term will get cancelled, and you are left with ln 3 is constant, and 1 2 3, right? 1 by w square minus 3w plus 3 into dw. Fine. Now I becomes, sorry, I becomes ln 3 by 2 into integral 1 to 3 1 by w square minus 3w plus 3 into dw. Fine. Now you can change it back to x, right? As you can see, this is I becomes ln 3 by 2 into 1 by, this becomes w square minus 3w plus 3, right, where it is here, w square minus 3w plus 3. This is just a dummy variable, right? You can replace it with x square minus x plus 1, right? 1 2 3 will change to 0 to 2. Integration limits here. Fine. Now this formula becomes x square minus x plus 1 dx to 0 to 2, right? The problem which is given. Fine. This is simple, right? I mean, this is easier to solve now. Now this denominator x square minus x plus 1, which can be written as x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. In a way, we are making it into form of a square. So this is x minus half whole square plus 1 minus 3, sorry, 1 minus 1 by 4, which becomes x minus half whole square plus 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Now you can write I as ln 3 by 2 into integral 0 to 2 1 by x minus half whole square, right? This, let's write it in this square form, which is root 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Now, as you know, let's consider a simple substitution. Let's consider x minus half equal to root 3 by 2 tan theta, right? Then dx becomes root 3 by 2 tan theta is secant square theta d theta. Fine. Now what about the integration limits? If x equal to 0, this becomes 1 minus half equal to root 3 by 2 tan theta. Then this becomes 2 get cancelled. Tan theta is minus 1 by root 3. That becomes theta equal to 30, right? This is because negative, minus pi by 6. Let's calculate for x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Right? 3 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 tan theta. 2 2 will get cancelled. Then you are left with tan theta equal to 3 by root 3, which becomes root 3. Then theta becomes pi by 3. Fine. Now let's substitute this here. ln 3 by 2 into this is minus pi by 6 to pi by 3 into 1 by x minus half is root 3 by 2 tan theta whole square into plus root 3 by 2 whole square, right? Root 3 by 2 whole square, we can take it as common. Then this becomes 3 by 4 into tan square theta plus 1 into dx is root 3 by 2 into secant square theta d theta. Okay? This secant square tan square theta plus 1 secant square theta. Fine. This will get cancelled out. Now you are left with I equal to ln 3 by 2 into this becomes 4 by 3. You can take the constant root 3 by 2 out of the integral. Then you are left with minus pi by 6 to pi by 3 d theta, which is I equal to 2 2 4 will go off. Then this is root 3 ln 3 by 3 into pi by 3 minus of minus pi by 6, which is plus pi by 6. This becomes pi by 2. Then root 3 by 3 ln 3 of pi by 2. Now final result is, you can write simplify. There is no need to simplify. You can write it as pi root 3 by 6 into ln 3. Fine. This is the solution.